My name is Armin, and I'm a maintenance engineer. One of my tasks is to ensure that our machinery runs without breakdowns and that we do not have any production downtimes as a result. To ensure this, I spend a lot of time in production checking that the machines are working within their specified values. If something is no longer working properly, I have to be able to react quickly and either replace or repair the parts. When I was checking our machine, I noticed that the pressure gauge of the pressure control valve was not working. The pressure gauge needs to be replaced. Thanks to Festo's new mobile website, I no longer have to write down the part number and go back to my office. I can access all the relevant information directly in production with my tablet or a smartphone. That saves me a lot of time. When I enter the part number of the valve in the search field, I immediately see all the relevant information such as the picture, part number, and designation, as well as the links to the datasheet and the spare parts catalog. In the spare parts catalog, I can see the matching pressure gauges in the exploded view and can order them directly. A few clicks, and the spare part is on its way to the desired location. If a part needs to be repaired, I have access to the repair instructions and repair videos on the website. Especially the step-by-step instructions in the Service to See videos allow us to quickly perform necessary repairs in production. An easy selection of spare parts and comprehensible repair instructions. This is how we work together efficiently and easily across departments.